Hi there, so in this video I'm going to show you how to take this printed QR code, and here I have another one, and scan it using an app. I'm going to use my iPhone to do this, but you could do this with an iPad or iPod Touch, or also an Android phone, as long as you have the app that you need to do it. So the app that I'm actually going to use, forgive me, I'm going to try to get this a little bit sharp, which is hard to do with the flip. On this screen of apps I have Red Laser, and I also have an app called Scan, and both of those are free. I'm going to actually use Scan. So when I open up Scan and I click on the Scan button, what that does is it activates my camera so you can see that the camera is now active. All you have to do to scan a QR code using Scan is just center the QR code in the little targets on the app. Okay, and what that was a text one. A little hard to see here just with this setup I'm using, but it says listen with your eyes. So that's an example of how you could use a QR code to give a strategy suggestion to a student, something to do during a session. Listen with your eyes, meaning make eye contact while listening. So now to go back and scan another one, I just hit scan. Oops, sorry, it scanned it again. And I'm going to scan this one, which actually this QR code is of a URL, meaning that when I scan it, it will go to to a web address in my browser. So it will open up Safari in this case on the iPhone, and it will go right to the web address. So I'm going to scan that one. And it's telling me loading. In this case, that can take a little longer because it's loading up a web address. This is just a simple graphic, Simple Machines website with a list of simple machines and some text about them. So if you wanted students to go to a site to learn more about a subject, you could create a QR code and then work with them on the site. The advantage, not only that the site's kind of fun to get to because it's scanned, but because they don't have to type in a lengthy web address into the mobile device. So that was using Scan. It works pretty much the same with Red Laser. The app also lets you keep a history. So I just clicked on history, and it's going to show me, a little hard to see again, anything that I scanned along the way, including the 2 text messages and the URL. So that's how that works. Thanks.